Hi viewers, welcome to linuxscale.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Getsimple CMS on Linux Mint 18.3. Getsimple is a free and open source web content management system. It is based on programming language PHP and uses XML files to store the content, and it is used to small site business with the primary goal to be simple and easy to use. Okay, now let us see how to install Getsimple CMS on Linux Mint 18.3. Before starting our installation, you have to need Apache and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 5.6. Okay, first of all we have to download the Getsimple CMS package using the wget command. The download is complete now. After downloading, we have to extract and rename the Getsimple CMS directory using the unzip command. Then we have to list out this directory. Here we have to move the Getsimple directory into the /var/ww/html directory using the move command. Then go to HTML directory. Then we have to list out this directory. Then we have to change ownership and permission for the Getsimple directory. Give recursively. Then we have to configure the virtual host for Getsimple CMS. So go to site available location. Then here we have to create one empty file named getsimple.conf using my vim editor. Change insert mode. Then add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. Then we have to enable the getsimple.conf file. After enabling, we have to enable the read write module. Then we have to enter to the host file. Change insert mode. Then give our IP. Then give our domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart your Apache web server. After restarting Apache web server, we have to open the browser. Here we have to give local IP or domain name. Here I have to give domain name. Then hit enter. Here it will show Getsimple installation. First of all we have to check PHP version and directory permissions. Then PHP modules. Then we have to click continue. Here it will show Getsimple admin credential. So we have to fill the admin credential. Then give our username admin. Then give our email address. Then we have to click install now. The installation is complete now. Then here it will show username admin, then your temporary password. Then if you want login your admin page, click here. Here it will show admin dashboard of Getsimple CMS. Here if you want change your password, Click here. Here fill your display name. Then select your local time zone. Then give your new password. Then we have to click save setting. Now you can able to using this Getsimple CMS. That's all about for installation of Getsimple CMS. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linux. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.